Hey everybody, May 1st. Let's take a look at the Astro Excel monthly chart. We come into the morning, we bottom out here at about noon today, and then we've got a pretty sharp move up that peaks out tomorrow at 5 p.m. end of the day session. Then we're back down into the morning of the 3rd, and we flatten out. We kind of are flat all the way into the 4th. We get a push up to this peak on the 5th, and then we get into a pretty good downward trending period for a good part of the month until we get to the 19th, where we bottom out at 9 a.m. But along the way, we hit a low on the 6th. In the evening, we get a push back up toward the 0 line on the 8th at 1600. Then we're down to the 11th till 2 a.m. Then we get a bounce up to the 11th at 1600. End of the day session, push down to the 12th through the day trading period. And then we get our biggest push up inside of that downward move. That's going to go from that point on the 12th up to the end of the day session on the 14th. Then after we bottom out here on the 19th, we get a pretty strong push up to the 20th. And we're kind of flatlining between 0 and -10 till we bottom out here on the 21st. Then we get a push up to just above the 0 line on the 22nd at 8 a.m. Then a push down to this low here on the 24th at 7 a.m. A move up to the 0 line on the 24th at about 1800. Back down to the 25th here, bottoming at 10 a.m. And then a pretty good push up. And then first time we get above the +10 line this month, where we peak out here on the 27th at 1900. Memorial Day is on the 26th this month, so there'll be no trading on that Monday. After that peak, we come down, and then we're kind of in moderately bullish territory around the +10 line all the way into the early morning of the 30th. Push back down to 0, then back up to +10 there to close out the month. So an interesting pattern. We have hit that -30 line around the 19th, so that's our biggest trending type of move. So we've got a downward bias, and we get below that -10 territory around the 10th to the 19th. Push back up, zigzag around, and then on the 26th, we get up into bullish territory again late in the month. So there's the monthly look at the Astro Excel. We'll look at the blue line on a weekly basis.